Katanat Pule Puthi Jong ka Sorkar Jala Mekhalia, Kaladon ka jing Thmu ban Wanrah ya ka Lynnong, Halor ka Hynriew ka Hynriew lani ka 6th schedule, but ya ki ain ka Kong San Jong ka Jala, ha ki kot secondary level. Habaya thu Shapangani, u menteri Katanat Pule Puthi u rakam e sangma, ula ong ba ka Sorkar Jala Kaladeb ban Batha, ya ka embus ban thau ya ka scrutiny committee ban khmi bania ya ki subject English, Science but Mathematics jangki kot NCERT shwa ban shim yaki ha ka syllabus jong ka jala ulaya thu shu ba watlada ga jala kadang yale ban penrung ya ka kharnet ka ban Hynriew bat yaki an ba kongsan ga jala ha ki kot Pule ka embus Hynriew kani ka chingthmu kanam patre kam hashwa jong usnam hajar arposan.
From 2024 the English, the math and English, math and science can be adopted and will be followed in all the schools in the state affiliated to Meghalaya Board of School Education. But for the elementary stage, we will be having in 3 different languages. So in English and in KHASI and in Garo. And 2024 will be the whole year we will do all the exercises to develop our own textbook in adaptation of the NCERT. That means about, since we are moving for the copyright permission from the ministry, from the NCERT, and once we get the copyright, we will do contextualization.
Ka enforcement